So today we are doing, I say we, I mean me and the dogs are doing the Elvington and Sutton Wood walk. It's only a short one, about 3 miles. Should take us about an hour and a half. That is if Cody doesn't chase every single squirrel along the way. Cody is also being my videographer, but he's a bit bouncy. So if you can see, he's knocked his camera out of place already. Cody, come here. There we go. Yeah, so a bit of a practice of the map reading skills today. It's quite an easy one because we're following the line of the river, so it makes it easier to navigate. And yeah, first proper hike in a little while. So just testing it out and seeing how we get on. So I'm still practicing my map reading skills, but in the event that I might get lost, I do have it downloaded to my watch via OS Maps as well. You can't beat a walk in the woods to really showcase autumn.